Sleep like a top, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the intriguing phrase, to sleep like a top. This idiom might sound unusual at first, but it's packed with history and vivid imagery that enriches its meaning. Stay with us as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversation to sound like a native speaker. You might be wondering, how can someone sleep like a top, especially when tops are known for spinning energetically? Here's the twist. To sleep like a top is an idiom that means to sleep very soundly or deeply. The phrase paints a picture of someone sleeping so peacefully that nothing can disturb them. It's a colorful way to describe a good night's sleep, emphasizing the quality and depth of rest. The phrase, to sleep like a top, has a fascinating history. Originally, it draws a parallel with the motion of a spinning top. When a top spins, it appears motionless and stable, much like a person who is in a deep sleep seems peaceful and undisturbed. This idiom has been used in English literature for centuries, showcasing the language's rich tradition of borrowing everyday objects to describe complex human experiences. Incorporating idioms like, to sleep like a top, into your conversation can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Here are a few examples of how you can use it. After finishing all my exams, I slept like a top. My baby finally slept like a top through the night, and I feel so refreshed. You look rested. Did you sleep like a top? Remember, idioms like this one are more commonly used in informal settings, such as conversations with friends or family. Understanding idioms is key to mastering the English language, and to sleep like a top is a perfect example of how colorful and imaginative the language can be. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. If you've enjoyed learning about this idiom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning! And may you all sleep like a top tonight.